Must be something underneath. Take two. I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new.
Welcome back, my beauties. So we're gonna spritz our face, get our beauty blender and our concealer, and we're gonna prime our eyelids. Gonna blend that concealer out with the beauty blender. Now we're gonna grab our powder. I'm using this one by Marc Jacobs and the Morphe E8 to set that right where I put the concealer. Okay, now I'm going with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm gonna grab this color, which is called Butter, and I'm gonna grab the Morphe brush JH30, and I'm gonna put that above my crease and in my crease. This is gonna be our transition color. Now we're gonna go in with Roxanne with the JH35 Morphe brush, and we're gonna apply that in the crease. This is just a shade darker than the first color we used, and we're gonna apply it also on the outer V of our eye, as you can see. And it's going in an angle. You just gotta keep blending, build it up if you need to. Now we're gonna go in with the color Chip and with JH35 Morphe palette, and we're gonna put that in the crease, right where we put that last color. And this is just helping us have a more dimensional look. Make sure to blend it in. See how it's looking faded from the darkest color to the lighter color? You have to make sure to be blending really good. Now we're going to go in with this Morphe brush by Jaclyn Hill and the color Central Park, and we're going to further darken the crease. This brush is more precise, so it's helping us go in that little crack and get it darker. Now we're going to go in with this Dior Eye Prime and my Morphe brush M170-8, and I'm going to conceal it. You see how I'm doing it at an angle at the top? It's cutting our crease. Now I went in with the Morphe 3502 palette and grabbed that gold shade with this Morphe brush JH41, and I applied it all over my lid. And I went in with this teeny little brush and this like cranberry shade called Cran Apple, and put it right beside the brown shade at an angle. And then I went in with this like orangey color called Fireworks. Yeah, Firework. With that same little Morphe brush and putting it right before that cranberry color. So it gives it a more blended look. From gold to orangey to red to brown. Like an ombre effect. Now I went in with Pukey and I went in with the MAC brush and I intensified that brown shade so it could look more like cut crease, like sharp. And then I went in with a Morphe brush JH31 to blend it out. So it's not such a harsh line. We want it to be harsh, but we don't want it to be that harsh. You guys understand? Yeah? No? Maybe? And here I'm just blending. And then after that, I used my eyelash curler. This one's by Tarte. It was a holiday collection. And I applied my YSL mascara. I'm going to go in with these beautiful lashes by Lily Lashes. And I'm going to apply those with my tweezers. I always like to start at the outer end of my eye. And then the inner. I'm going to prime my face with this Farsali drops. And I'm going to go in with my foundation. And apply that with my beauty blender. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce. Bounce that foundation on your face. And then I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes to conceal my bags. No one wants to look at those. And I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with this Sephora brush, number 99. I'm going to go back in with my Marc Jacobs powder and I'm going to set that concealer. I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs bronzer with the Morphe brush JH06 and I'm going to contour my face. Not really contour, just bronze my face. Giving some dimension to my face because we don't want to look flat. Now I'm going to go with this Morphe blush palette, and I'm going to grab the color Unapologetic, and I'm going to apply that shade with this Morphe brush JH04. Now I'm going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold palette, and I'm going to grab the Rose Gold shade with this Jaclyn Hill 09 brush, and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks, well, on the high parts of my cheeks. And then I'm going to grab this Morphe brush and the color Roxanne and put that underneath my waterline. And this tiny little brush, pencil brush, I'm going to use this one too, and I'm going to grab the color Chip, and with the flat one I'm going to put it tight line it right underneath my lash line, and then with the little small pencil brush I'm going to grab a little bit of the gold shade that we use on the Morphe 3502 palette and put it on the inner parts of my eye, and I'm going to blend that out with a different pencil brush. So right here is when I'm blending everything out. I'm going to go in with this Too Faced eyeliner in this olive green color, but you can use whatever color you'd like. You can use black, white, you can leave it empty. Just chose to use this green shade. And then I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. And then I use the Heather's
while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.